Okay, this is my update video of my research laboratory for finding a way to provoke a circular motion using magnets and iron shields. This is my fourth prototype. And this prototype this prototype constant of a rotor and a stator. In the rotor there is the spiral magnets and the repulsion magnets. In the stator is the iron shield. Okay. These are the spiral magnets and the repulsion magnets, and this is the shield. There are four shields, 4 spiral magnets, and 4 repulsion shields. Okay, and the spiral magnets, there's these are positive poles, and the next spiral magnet are negative poles. The next one are positive poles, and the other one negative. Okay, and same with the repulsion magnets. One is facing the other spiral magnet is facing the same polarity. Okay. The mechanism is gonna be like this. The spiral magnet is gonna enter first. This is the spiral magnet, and this is the shield. It's gonna feel there's gonna be an attraction because of the angle of the spiral magnet and the shield are vertical. They're gonna feel attracted. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, the spiral magnet is always gonna recover the shield through the shield all the way from the beginning of the spiral magnet to the end of the spiral magnet. Always gonna recover the distance and the angle of the spiral magnet. These shields are 1/4 inch thick. This spiral magnet and this one. Okay, these are when they recover all the way through the shield. That point, okay. In that point, they suppose this is facing positive pole, facing the shield. This is the repulsion magnet that's going to cause an effect of repulsion through the spiral magnet, and with the in relative to the shield. The spiral magnet are moving relative to the shield. Okay, and this magnet, the repulsion magnet, are following the spiral magnet to this point. When the spiral magnet gets to this point of the shield, okay, when it gets to this point, we're gonna provoke with the repulsion magnet. It's gonna face the same poles of the spiral magnets when they face both in this point of the shield. Okay, this repulsion magnet or the spiral magnet, I don't know. Okay, the repulsion magnets are gonna magnetize the shield with the same polarity of the spiral magnet. And because the spiral magnet are moving relative to the shield, the effect is gonna be of repulsion, and it's gonna make it move forward to that point, because as you can see, it's stopping right here, right? Okay, because it needs the repulsion. Today workshop, I do some adjustment in this area. I moved the prototype a little bit that way. I cut some screw, I hook some screw, make adjustment to make this prototype be able to do a demonstration. You see, now we can see that it can make a demonstration because it's viable. See, it can be moved and there's no friction with the parts. Okay, now I had to make another workshop, and it's going to be to create the repulsion effect, and it's going to be in this area. There's a little friction over there, but I fix it later. Okay, the next workshop, you have to create a repulsion effect. Okay. And it's gonna be in these plates. Okay, I had to figure out which plate I have to take off. It cannot be all the plate. I think there's gonna be only one or two plates to provoke the effect. Okay. To provoke the effect, first the spiral magnet has to come in and pass the shield. And that moment, I had to make the repulsion magnet to face the shield. So that way I can create the repulsion mode. And then I can make the machine to circulate continuity. But that's today's workshop is gonna be this thing, the adjustment. I had to take a break. I had to do a lot of other things. And maybe in the next weekend or during this weekday, I'm gonna plan how to figure out how to make this. I only had to take out the shields and I don't know and do tests. In the next workshop, I'm gonna work with the repulsion effect to provoke it. So when they come to this area, this part, the repulsion effect is gonna be there. And it's gonna make the magnet go forward, and then it's gonna repeat. This prototype have attraction and repulsion mode to make the motion. This is not a magnet motor. A magnet motor is velocity and torque. This is a concept to how to provoke a movement using the magnets and iron shield and the mechanism, the design. You see, I did a test of a repulsion because an effect of the repulsion is that he can go this way, right? But if I try to push it the other way, it's gonna stop here because it created a repulsion effect in the order that is when it's going in this side. But I had to make that in the other side, so he can pass the spiral magnet and then the repulsion effect, and then he continue the movement. Look, you're gonna see a repulsion effect here, man. Okay. Ahí, pass. Like that. I don't know. Because it did it right here. I don't. Later in the past video I showed it. I did a demonstration, but I don't know. Anyway, I had to provoke a repulsion when it comes to this point. In that point, a repulsion, so it can like go forward. This is the magnet. The magnet is in this area. There are two magnets here. Very powerful neodymium magnets. And then the end of the spiral magnet is like here. It's like here. This is the other spiral magnet. There's a difference. This one is here and this one is here. Okay? This one has to come first to the shield. Then the shield has to face like this one in the movement, and when the shield face this one, I think it's gonna provoke the repulsion. That this is the magnet here, and spiral magnet here, and then the shield is like here. When this one is supposed, my hand is the shield. It's gonna go like that. That's because I have to use a small shield. It cannot be this wide. It has to be like one or two only. When it faces the shield, it's gonna get magnetized here. And this magnetized is gonna be the same polarity of this one. So I figured out that when it gets to this point, and because there's more magnets in this side than in this side, there's more magnets, the effect are gonna be like provoking that this one goes that way and the shield the other way. Well, I'm gonna meditate. I'm gonna do some meditation about this issue. So in the weekend, I go for sure the workshop, and then I do what I guess out in the weekdays. Okay, I conclude this video. I'm gonna make some movement to record the movement. Okay. It definitely needs the repulsion effect. Okay, I conclude the video.